This video, we will show you how to add products to POS channel and add inventory to different retail locations. There are two ways to add products to SHOPLINE POS. You may choose to upload one product at one time or use bulk upload feature to add all your products to POS. First, let me show you how to upload single product. On the left panel, go to Products. Click on Add New Products. Fill in your product title, product summary, and product description. Next, proceed to upload image of your product by click on the plus icon or drag and drop an image file into the upload box. Under the product price section, fill in the product selling price, compare at price, and cost price if applicable. In the inventory section, fill in your product SKU and barcode. Use existing ones if you already have them or create new ones. Keep the box checked for quantity tracking, else uncheck the box if the product has unlimited quantity. Check the second box if you want to continue selling even when the product is out of stock. Under Inventory, you will see your retail store location. Fill in the inventory quantity of the products for each of your retail store. If your product has multiple variants, take this product has multiple variants box and repeat the same step above. Start with product SKU. Last, scroll up again and refer to the right panel. Make sure you toggle on Product on Shelf setting and Sales Channel include POS. If does not include, kindly click on Manage and select POS. Don't forget to click on Add to complete your product upload. Another option for you to add product to SHOPLINE POS is by our bulk upload products feature. Let me show you how to use this option. Click on Import locally. Download template for bulk importing. Fill in the required fields for bulk upload in the template, such as product title, product description, variants, and price. Upload the Excel sheet. Once upload is completed, refresh your page. Select the product, click on Bulk Edit. Select Add Available Channel. Make sure POS channel was selected and click Add. To assign store to different retail locations after bulk upload, please navigate to left panel, click on Inventory. Look on the top right, click on Location, select Retail Store Location. You will be able to see your product list summary and you can start assign your store's quantity from this page. Now product and inventory setup is completed and shown in your POS device.